Without wasting time, I think let's tour the site.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Rahman Rahim. Malik Yawm Din. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim. Ghayril maghdubi alaihim wa lad-dallin. Oh Allah, we thank you for this day. Thank you for this opportunity to be here. Thank you for the bounties you have bestowed upon us. In this process, we are handing over the grounds to the engineers. Lead them brilliantly, lead them out of courage, lead them trustfully, so that they can get the best out of this.
Our contractors, Cornerstone, our consultants, led by Engineer Kamari there. You are most welcome to this particular site where we intend to construct a boys' hostel. We are lucky that many members participated in the bidding process until when we evaluated the best bidders, which came to be Cornerstone. It has been quite long. We have been engaging one another to ensure that we get the best out of our sweat. We are happy and privileged that today we have the team of engineers and our consultants that we trust most. And we know that within the specified period of time, we shall see a boys' hostel where we are now. As of now, we are seeing grass and we are seeing trenches, but we know that with time, we are going to see a boys' hostel. And before we do that, I'll introduce the district engineer, Waswa Mulongo Waswa, who has been working with us, and he is the government's eye on this project. Waswa, you're most welcome. We also have the cow amidst us, Haji Juma Nkunyinngi, you're most welcome. So the process that we're going to go through is going to be led by none other than the consultants. They take us through the next stage as to how the process of handing over shall run. We have the relevant documents that we need to hand over to the contractors to look at.
Under contract management, it is a ceremonial occasion, and there is not much business other than handing over all the relevant documents to the contractor, give him a chance to pledge his efforts towards this project and commitment and demands in the initial stages what he would like to see immediately so that the project is expedited without any hindrance. This contract is going to be in two phases. First phase, they are going to erect the skeleton up to the last floor before we go into finishes. There has been quite a lot of debate what we should do. Should we build one ground floor, then first floor, and then finish it and they enter? And then some other school of thoughts came in, no, let's build the whole structure ready, and then we start finishing floor by floor as funds become available. I think the main issue here is funding. The board did not intend to go to the bank, neither did the ministry advance them money, so they are solely relying on funds from Board of Government, which is a very strong commitment, and they require all our support to ensure that the funds are used strictly to the project without any wastage. The boys are very eager to see this project started, and I will request the contractor to allow them a slot to participate, because the new curriculum under program today in education is, they call it what? Competency-based. Huh? Competent-based. The students are very eager to know what happens to the site. Complete, how is complete made? So I think you'll find a program to allow in the teachers to see how they can participate, so that they gain knowledge, and that is done.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Engineer Caroline Chisels is my name, Managing Director, Cornerstone, Design and Engineering. It's such a privilege to have been selected as your best leader to take on this wonderful project of the construction of a boys' dormitory in Gombe. Before I give a few remarks, I would just like to introduce the team that I'm with. Next to me is Isaac Rujumba, the manager construction. Then with me is Mariam Nekesa, who will be our site admin. And then Michael Sengova, who will be the construction engineer. These are just a few of the team members we've moved with. Also alongside with us. So these are a few of the team members that represent the bigger team that will be engaged with this project. Once again, we want to appreciate very much the opportunity to serve on this project. And as I had previously highlighted, we are professional engineers. As professional engineers, we know we have a greater obligation to the profession and to the community to serve. Our quality management plan, even in the execution of our works, we do take quality seriously amongst the other standards of health and safety. So we do pledge our best to you. There's something Mr. Company has mentioned about training. We are excited to hear that request as well. A while ago I did discuss the same way the headmaster also indicated that we would like to allow that space for the students to be able to come and also learn on site. So we'll be guided by the headmaster as well and the concerned parties on how we can have this arrangement. Because in Cornerstone we are really high on training. Every year we do take on interns on our different projects, and it's our pride that we are able to also pass on some knowledge to the younger generation so that they can also grow up to be professionals.
I think in brief it says on top there is a 3D picture of the project, the building, and then client is Gombe Secondary School, construction of boys hostel, Gombe Secondary School, by Ministry of Education and Sports. The client is Board of Governors, Gombe Secondary School. I think the contractor Cornerstone. We look at it, it's on soft form, but it will be shown to you before close of the day. With me, I came along with the architect, Shafiq Khalid is here, he's the designer, and now going to be the supervising architect. And the QS, you saw him during the signing, he was not able to come, he had other assignment. Then we shall have two sets of clerk of works, one civil, and then after this, the frame has been done, we shall bring in those who are M&E specialists as clerk of works. So I think in brief, that's what we have for the day. And I would like to call upon the chairman to shake hands to the contractor while he presents the set of drawings and the contractor to officially commemorate the handover of the site.
أجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم فبدوت شخصا آخر كي أتفاخر وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى فوجدت أني ساخر فتلك مظاهر لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا جوهر